What is the value of x in the radius given in the question? Whereas the value of radius is given as 5x divided by root 7. We are going to calculate only this x value. Whereas the value of radius of gyration of a sphere and the mass of a sphere is given in the question. So we can use parallel axis theorem to calculate the answer for this question. It can be stated and written as I is equal I Cm plus m d square. So d here is representing the distance from the center of mass to the axis of rotation. So here we can take that as a radius. So it can be written as I is equal I Cm plus m r square. So here the ICM is representing the moment of inertia of a sphere of mass and radius r, which is always equal to 2 over 5 mr square. But here the question is related with the radius of gyration. It's known that the moment of inertia is equal m times k square. So we can rearrange the equation as m k square is equal 2 over 5 mr square plus mr square. So when we are simplifying, we will get 7 over 5 mr square is equal mk square. When we are cancelling the similar term, we will have k square is equal 7 over 5 r square. Here the question is about calculating the x in a radius value. So let us keep the r aside. So r square will be equal to 5 divided by 7 times k square, whereas k is representing the radius of gyration, which is given as 5. So here we can write r square is equal 5 divided by 7 times 5 square. So here we need only the value of r. So r can be written as root 5 divided by root 7 times 5. So here in the question, the value of radius is given as 5x divided by root 7. And the question is about what is the value of x. When we are checking our final answer with the value of radius given in the question, we can say x will be equal to root 5. So the correct answer for this question is option D.